everybody. Today I want to do a little product spotlight talking about our shock covers from Hooker Harness. Now Hooker Harness of course is well known for the high quality seatbelts that they put together, and they've brought that same expertise to designing these shock covers. So the shock covers here, they have a water resistant, really heavy duty fabric on the outside. We have elastic that's helping them with the stretch at the top and bottom, and then some heavy duty 2-inch Velcro. You might find that other shock covers just don't have this same width of Velcro, and with this it also keeps it stronger, but also makes it more adjustable so that you can really bring it tighter into your shock. Now, of course, you want to use shock covers because shocks are one of the most important, expensive investments in your race car. And one of the ways that shocks can really fail is when you get any kind of dirt or dust onto the shaft of the shock, and then it goes into the main body of the shock, that can really end up scratching those shafts and making it so that your shocks don't work nearly as well, and they'll fail. You'll get dust and dirt inside into the oil that's inside there, and you just end up with a mess. Anything we can do to maintain our shocks even better is going to make them last longer, save you money, and just be more competitive. You don't want to have a shock fail on you. With these shock covers, back to these, is we've got for the length on here, we've got about 20 inches of length, and that's going to cover your entire shock. But also, if you're using springs with your shocks, which you likely are, then this will go around that whole assembly. So I just thought I'd show you here, and this is a smaller spring, smaller diameter spring, but we can put that around there, and then that is nice and contained, and that way it's protecting the entire assembly. So of course our Hooker Harness shock covers are available on our website at CrateInsider.com. If you like this video, we've got so many more just like it. You can find them over on YouTube or again on our website, and be sure to like our Facebook page, and that way you can catch all of our newest uploads and posts. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in another video.